Hi guys, this is Anil Bishoi and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you're watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, in previous videos, we had discussed about few antonyms, and in today's video also, we will discuss few more antonyms. Simultaneously, I will be framing sentences for you guys. So, let's start today's discussion. Revenge, grace, mercy, pity or pardon. Rama took revenge from Ravana for abducting Sita. Grace, he worked with grace. Then mercy, Shyam acted in mercy with the villagers. Pity, after looking at the sorrow, I felt pity. Some people have done unpardonable offense. Reverse, success, restore or reinstate. He reversed the decision. He got success after so much of hard work. Restore, after getting the decision, the things were restored. The person was reinstated to his position after getting orders from High Court. Rogue, gentleman. Some rogue elements created nuisance in the society. Gentlemen. Gentlemen behavior are always appreciated. Rough, smooth. That was a rough surface. The road made smooth after so much of hard work. Romantic, prosaic. Romantic, Shahrukh Khan is a romantic hero. Prosaic, you can frame a sentence on it. Rude, civil, courteous or elegant. Rude elements need to be dealt in stern hand. Civil works are being going on for several years. Courteous, some courteous manners are always being appreciated. Elegant manners are always appreciated by the society. Ruin, save or redeem. Some people's hard works were ruined by the certain elements in the society. Save, he got saved after looking at the work. Redeem, after getting the orders, the collector redeemed the work. Rumor, truth, fact, rumor. Do not believe in rumor. Truth always trumps. Fact, certain facts need to be taken to the public domain. Rural, urban or civic. Rural, in rural areas people are agriculture oriented. Urban people are service sector oriented. Civic responsibility need to be taught to all citizens. Rustic, polished, polite or cultured. Some rustic behavior by the students are not appreciated by the teacher. Well polished approach needs to be done for success. Polite manners are always appreciated. Cultured behavior are always appreciated. Sacred, impure, profane or irrelevant. Sacred, some people are believed they are sacred. Then irrelevant. Irrelevant issues need not to be discussed. Then you can write on this. Sanction, disallow, veto or ban. The nuclear has sanctioned on India after India's nuclear testing. Veto. In many occasions, the Permanent Five of United Nations used veto unfairly. Ban. Certain items were banned from import or export. Satisfied, disappointed. The boss was satisfied with his employees. Disappointed. Boss was disappointed with his work. Savagery, kindness. His kindness was always appreciated. Savagery behavior was not appreciable to the society. Scanty, abundant, lavish or ample. There were scanty food. There were abundant food. He lavishly distributed sweets. Ample. There were ample fruits in the market. Scattered, gather, hoard or collect. Some items were scattered here and there. Then gather. He gathered information. Hoard. Certain business people hoarded during bad times. Then collect. After collecting the information, the officer took action. Scold, compliment, applaud or praise. He is scolded for his bad work. The officer complimented his junior. Applaud. The officer applauded his junior. Praise. Boss praised his employees. Selfish, generous, liberal or charitable. Selfish people are not appreciated by the society. Generous people are always appreciated by society. Liberal people are always bringing change in the world. Then charitable work is appreciated in the society. Sensible, unaware, senseless or stupid. Sensible work are always appreciated. Some people were unaware of the decision taken by the government. Senseless. Some people are senseless in their approach to life. Their students scolded the children for their stupidity. Sensual, sober. Sensual, the heroine's sensual moves mesmerize the audience. Sober act by certain people were impressed by the hero. Then several, few, scarce or scanty. Several acts were taken into consideration. Few, there were few people who were creating disturbance. Scarce, there were scarce resource in 1950s. Scanty, there were scanty food in India in 1960s. Then severe, there were severe actions were taken against the rogue elements. Tender, he tendered an apology. Gentle behaviors are appreciated. Mild actions were taken against few. Easygoing people never achieve success. Then shadow, sunshine or brightness. Shadow, the shadow of the house covered the bike. Sunshine, people take sunshine and it is boosting the vitamin D. Then brightness, the brightness of sunshine made all happy. Shallow, in the shallow water some fishes are found. In deep, Pacific Ocean is very deep. Shrewd, he is a shrewd politician. He is an astute politician. Shameless, some people are shameless. Modest or virtuous, modest and virtuous manners are always being appreciated. Shelter, betray, surrender, expel. Some people took shelter of the rich people during disaster. Betray, the people who betrayed the trust of the nation needs to be treated sternly. Surrender, Pakistan surrendered in front of India in 1971 war. Expel, some traitors being expelled from the nation. Shrewd, dull or stupid. Dullness in the skin needs to be done with moisturizer. Dullness of the skin needs to be done with moisturizer. Stupid acts are not appreciated. Signing is the Character of gold, pale, dull and tarnished. Some pale and dull looking people are working. Shocked, gladdened and pleased. He was shocked by his act. He was gladdened by his act. The teacher was pleased with student performance. Signify, it signifies his work. Conceal, he concealed truth. He hid the truth. Then simple. Simple people are always appreciated. Complex words needs to be analyzed first and then taken action. Abound. The abound you can write sin, virtue or purity. Sin, society always feel bad about sinners. Virtuous people are always appreciated. Purity of individuals are always appreciated. Then similar, differing or dissimilar. There are certain dissimilarity between two brothers. People differ in views. There are some dissimilarity in students' action. Slavery, freedom or liberty. Slavery needs to be abolished. Freedom needs to be given in the democratic society. Liberty is given in a democratic society. Sleep, wakefulness or vigilance. Sleep, all people need sleep for the rejuvenation. Wakefulness, during wakefulness we have to work constructively. Vigilance, the government used vigilance as its wing against its corrupt officials. Slow, prompt. Slow and steady wins the race. Prompt action by the officer brought appreciation from the executive. Smart, raked, untidy or shabbily dressed people are not appreciated. Students with untidy dress were punished by the teacher. Then smart looking students are appreciated by the teacher. Smash, mend, rectify or restore. He smashed the glass. He mended the glass. Teacher rectified the mistakes of the students. Restored. He restored the action. Then smile, cry, sigh, sob or moan. The smile of the child brought happiness in the parents. Cry of the child brought sorrow in parents. Sob, moan, he moaned his bad times. Sigh, he took a sigh of relief after getting a job. Smooth, friendly, uneven, irritate. It was a smooth sailing for the sailors. Then irritate, some people were irritated with the manner. Then sneer, cheer or apprentice. He cheered for his hard work. The government appreciated the writer. Sober, intoxicated or drunk. He was intoxicated with poison. He was drunk in alcohol. His sober action was not appreciated. And with this, it came to the end of this video. If you like today's video, then do give me a thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section whether we continue this particular initiative. Thank you very much.